Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox a Lavalier microphone, that is the BY-M1 Boya microphone. So without any delay, let's start the unboxing. So here is our Boya microphone, compatible with both camcorders and mobile phones. You can see the features: clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR camcorders, omnidirectional condenser microphone, high quality condenser, low handling noise, and with a lapel clip, LR44 battery, etc. So here you can see the compatibility. It is compatible with many devices, gives a superb sound quality. So let's take it out. So here is our Boya mic with approximately 2 to 3 meter long cable, and here is a leather bag, elegant leather bag, you can see. Inside is a user manual. So let's open the cable. You can see the length, quite long. This is the main mic and the lapel clip. This is the foam cover we are putting in it. You can see. This is for the DSLR. We can put a battery and use it for the DSLRs. For phone we can use it without the battery. This is the battery, LR44 battery. You can close it like this. Now let's test the sound quality. So guys, whatever voice you are listening now is from the Boya mic. You can listen to the clear voice without any noise. So you saw the contents inside the box. This is an excellent microphone with an MRP of 2399 rupees. I received it for 1200 rupees. Gives an excellent sound quality and you can use it for the professional shoots and the YouTube videos. It gives excellent quality for it. And the main thing is its compatibility with different devices. So guys, this was all about the Boya M1 mic. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe our channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon for getting the latest notifications of our video. So meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.